Hello everyone, how are you all? Friends, in this video today we will know how to give value to our soul, to our real self. We will know what it is to be authentic. How important is it for us to accept our truth and live in our originality? Authentic people live by their own value truth. For them, they have their own value beyond the confines of the world. Friends, never lie to yourself. Do not suppress the voice of your soul. Friends, I like to talk about spirituality. I love reading and listening about spiritual things. I like to make myself even better. I believe in changing myself more than the outside world. If I do not know about anything, then I say I do not know much about it, but I I am learning. We often see around us that when someone tells us some good things, people often say it before they listen. Yes, I know everything. I do not need to learn anything. Friends, this is the ego inside us that wants to keep us in the dark. The ego imprisons our intellect. A person full of ego cannot see the good in anyone, nor can it bring good changes in himself until he leaves the ego and gets into his well behave. Accepting your real self is called being authentic. Show what you feel inside yourself, not uh, show what you feel inside yourself. Be authentic. It should not be that you are angry with someone from inside, but from outside you are smiling with them, entertaining to make them happy. It is very dangerous for you later. You start you start living fake lives and you stop listening to the voice of your soul. Then where will you get your soul power? Show up in the same manner as you feel. Do not think what anyone would think. Do not think that anyone will feel bad. All this. What does anyone think? This does not matter. It is important to be honest with your emotions because our emotions are related to our soul. We have to place the soul first. Friends, let me tell, for example, if I do not feel like applying more makeup, I will not apply because my mind is not saying from inside. But when I feel like I dress up according to my needs and also makeup, I wear clothes that have comfortable feel, not to please others or to show others. That when my authentic self become my real self, I will do as I feel inside. Friends, wear the uh, kind of clothes you like, even if it is out of fashion. Trending fashion changes every day. It is all the Maya of the earth. It is just illusion. We have to remember, rising above all the that we are not only a body but also a soul, which is already very beautiful. So see this beauty and stay in the soul. This is the truth. There is authenticity is in us. Therefore, we should show the same to others outside. Friends, always be in your real self, being authentic. You will not feel any burden inside you. You will feel free and full of light inside you. If you do something to make others happy, then you will be sad one day from inside. Do the same so that your soul is also happy, in which you feel comfortable in doing the work. Not only others but you also benefit. Just be honest with them to make others happy. Performed all duties towards them. Love everyone, treat everyone well, show the outside as you feel from the inside. This is our real self, and our authenticity is our originality. So be authentic. Friends, in this video today we learned that how we live in our real self and how to be authentic. If you like this video of mine, please like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.